Do-it-yourself Dell. We've got another foodie Bell here, and these are the brand name Hostess Cupcakes. And you look in the package, and you'll see that they're all gone except for one. So they didn't really last long. So we're going to have to do the eval on the one remaining. As a child, my mother put these in the lunchbox as a dessert. And calories 170, which is a little bit high. The saturated fat, which is a little high, I think. And let's see what else. It's got a little bit of cholesterol. Got the salt naturally, and it's got carbohydrates. So it's got fiber and protein. So, and then there's your lineup of your four vitamins. Got 0D, 0 calcium, or 8% calcium, excuse me, 8% iron, and then the potassium is 0 again. So 0,880. The D, calcium, iron, and potassium. So it got 2 out of 4 there. Pretty good. And so I already know what this is going to taste like, and you probably already know what they taste like, but we'll go through the motions and see if we can just say something about this. And, so here we are. There. And I remember them as being more cream filling, but I guess maybe they're in the interest of maybe saving or something, or making it more healthy and less cream in the middle. It's a little bit. Looks like they've got a kind of a thin layer on top and another thin layer. So less of a cream filling, but outside of that, they taste the same. So just a redo, in case anybody's forgotten that these items still exist, and that they are fantastic little desserts and so forth if you pack a lunch. So I'm not gonna beat a dead horse about these. They are what they are, and there's no surprises there. Adios.